Hey there, adventure lovers. Ready to find the perfect family paradise? Costa Rica is not just a place, it's your next big adventure. Imagine stepping into lush rainforests, relaxing on beautiful beaches, and enjoying a country that's 99% powered by renewable energy. Excited yet? Join us to check out Costa Rica's best family resorts. You're going to want to book your trip straight away. Picture this. You're sipping fresh coconut water, the kids are laughing and splashing in a clear pool, and a colorful toucan is singing nearby. Sounds like a dream? This eco-friendly vacation starts right when you land. Thanks to Costa Rica's green projects, you can enjoy a guilt-free tropical escape. Let's dive in. First up is La Mariposa Hotel, a true gem perched atop the highest point in Manuel Antonio. Imagine waking up to a 360-degree panoramic view, with the azure Pacific Ocean on one side and the lush Manuel Antonio National Park on the other. This park, despite being one of the smallest, is among the world's most biodiverse. La Mariposa features 70 beautifully appointed rooms set in tropical gardens, making you feel like you've wandered into a real-life jungle book, minus the talking animals, but including some curious monkeys. Don't miss capturing that magical sunset at the Sunset Bar and Lounge. And for a gastronomic delight, head to the Papillon restaurant where world-class cuisine awaits. Next, let's switch gears to the lively Fiesta Resort, close to San Jose. This all-inclusive wonder is perfect for families who love variety. Picture a place where you can move from beach lounging to salsa dancing at 2 p.m. with endless snacks and drinks available. With activities for all age groups and a children's club, there's something for everyone. Sneak in a romantic dinner at one of their a la carte restaurants while the kids have their own fun-filled adventure. For the ultimate luxury paired with adventure, head to Los Sueños Marriott Ocean and Golf Resort. Nestled between the Pacific Ocean and a 1,100-acre tropical rainforest, this resort offers an array of Instagram-worthy pools, a world-class golf course, and the relaxing Cibbo Rainforest Spa and Retreat. Families rave about the room hammocks, calling them the perfect spot for an afternoon siesta. Keep an eye out for the 5% of the world's biodiversity that calls Costa Rica home, all within reach from this luxurious retreat. If urban exploration is more your style, don't miss the Gran Hotel Costa Rica, Curio Collection by Hilton in San Jose. This charming hotel blends colonial aesthetics with modern amenities located in the heart of the city. Stroll Avenida Central and explore cafes, shops, and museums just steps away. Enjoy panoramic city views from the executive rooms and start your day with a historical fun fact. Costa Rica abolished its military in 1948, fostering a serene, peaceful environment for your morning coffee. Finally, we have the Hilton Garden Inn Guanacaste Airport, the perfect base camp for your adventures. Just minutes from Liberia Airport, it offers comfort and convenience without compromising on experience. Beaches, volcanoes, and hot springs are all within easy reach. One family described their stay as clean, convenient, and comfortable, highlighting the complimentary airport shuttle and unique opportunity to see both spider and squirrel monkeys nearby. From hilltop hideaways to beachfront beauties, urban escapes to jungle adventures, Costa Rica's family resorts offer something for everyone. But remember, the real magic lies in the moments you'll create together. The laughter, the wonder, and the joy of shared experiences. So, what are you waiting for? Click the links below to book your stay and start your family adventure in Costa Rica today. Curious about Costa Rica's must-see sights and hidden gems? Join me in the next video to uncover the top things to do in this tropical paradise. Your unforgettable journey starts now. Click here to watch and continue our adventure.